So these come in a typical Chinese blow mold case or whatever. So when you open it up, inside you've got the sunglasses, a carrying case or cloth, and two lenses. It's a clear lens. Pretty simple, nothing special. And then just your typical polarized black lens. Cleaning cloth carrying case, also typical with Chinese sunglasses. Sunglasses look nice, they feel pretty good, light, feel thick. I don't feel like real cheap or anything. I've never actually held or used the real version of these, so I can't really compare it to them, but for what it is, they seem pretty nice. Can't go wrong for 25 bucks.